Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing another love read for you. Let's see how you're feeling, Pisces, how your person is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection. But these are general collective readings, Pisces, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you, and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life now. Thank you. Alright, Pisces, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side is for you, one side is for your person. And in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual cards, action cards, etc. But for me, this is going to be person A for me. This is going to be person B for me. If this is your storyline, of course, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? So action for person A and action for person B. Bottom of my deck, I have the Queen of Swords in reverse. Somebody has lost trust, very angry, very upset, doesn't want to trust their partner anymore. Maybe because, let me see why. Well, yes, one person feels that they've been dropped now after certain secrets came out. Something was revealed here. Maybe that offer of commitment was not given to a person who really deserved it. Really deserved it. The Empress. The Empress was disregarded. That's amazing. That's silly. That's stupid, because who comes close to an Empress? This is like the queen above all queens. And when this Empress has gotten... something has come out in the open. Yes, I think this Empress is the one who's dropped this connection to say, I don't trust you anymore. You don't offer me stability, I'm out. So let's see. Let's start with some dialogue message cards first. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Pisces and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person spirit. Okay. I'm going to take a few more Pisces from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, Pisces, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Pisces and their person. Thank you. The first card here, Pisces, says, I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours anymore, though. This could be the Empress. I can see myself settling down with you, but not right now. Maybe that's what one person kept saying. Never made that choice, never made that decision. And because they didn't, I think they got dropped. I'm angry with you, but really, I'm angry at myself for the choice or decision that they made or didn't make. When you left me, I felt it was because I wasn't good enough for you. I got a whiff of your scent. It made me smile remembering you. I have other things on my mind other than you. Secretly doing things behind your back. I wish I could take back all the hurtful things I said to you. Well, these were some of your messages, Pisces. If these were resonating, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card as always. Let's see what my angels have for you first. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Pisces. Healing. Yes, there's a lot of heartbreak that's happened in this connection from what I can see. I mean, this is big heartbreak. And people holding back because of that. There's a feeling of feeling left behind by the other person as well. Feeling very neglected, sad, lonely. Wanting to come out of this abandonment But it's their own fault. They made some decision, made some choice which was against this connection. So yes, some healing is required. It will be coming. Let's see towards who or what. Because this is again anger. This is again feeling, you can't trust your person anymore. This is a lot of upset. So person A, let's start with person A, Pisces. Ignore person B for 2 minutes. Let's start with the person A's energy and see how they're feeling. Then we'll go on to the other side, okay? So person A, why do you feel like the Two of Pentacles in reverse and the Moon card in reverse? One more. Okay. Oh. Okay, so you know what happened here, Pisces. Person A was probably not making that decision, so somebody made the decision for them. Maybe they were sitting in a little bit of an ego, a little bit of pride here, not pushing this connection forward or not doing what they should have, maybe holding back or just being in self-protective mode. I have a feeling this Empress, I think, turned her back on this connection now, and now they're feeling the brunt of it. Now they're feeling, oh my God, I lost a big soulmate connection here. This person is now very, very overwhelmed now after things have come out in the open. What came out in the open, Spirit? What's this Moon card in reverse? That this Empress has shut that cup of love. Yes, this Empress has put a lid on that cup of love that was being freely offered, and this connection has come to an end by this Empress. Now somebody is feeling, now the clarity has come about all their own foolish, unwise decision. Somebody didn't take that leap of faith with an Empress. Now they're feeling so foolish about it. And now the clarity has come, but by now, this Queen of Cups, who was so loving and so kind, has maybe just said, all right, if it's over, it's over. I've ended it with you. So what happened in the recent past, person A? Why do you feel this way? The Lovers in reverse. Maybe they were asked to make a choice. Yes, to make a choice. Are they ever going to step up to the plate? Are they going to be that equal partner? Will they be there for the long haul? But maybe person A broke some promises. They could have hurt person B. They could have broken their heart. I do see person B still suffering from this aftermath of this Knight of Cups actions, right? They may have been expected to be this King of Pentacles, but they ended up showing themselves as the Knight of Cups in reverse, a flirt, somebody who doesn't mean what they say, somebody who dips in and out of your life, somebody who's a promise breaker. They never were serious maybe about offering a commitment. Hierophant in reverse. Yes, I think person A was, they were still kind of in their immature energy, maybe seeing what else is out there, holding back, very happy in their Nine of Cups energy, still kind of scouting the land to see maybe there's something better somewhere else. And well, I think person B is holding back from that now. How do you feel about the connection now, person A? How do you feel about the connection now? Well, person A is now feeling bad that they created so much delay in this connection. They are sad they never offered, or they are now sad that they are left behind. They are feeling bored, they are feeling lonely, and now they do want to take action. Yes, person A does want to do the right thing now. They want to show up as the Emperor to the Empress now. They do want to bring justice back into this relationship, because they want to come out of this feeling of lack now. They are tired of feeling left behind, left out in the cold. This has woken this person up big time. They're going through a tower moment. Huge wake up call. What's this Tower, Spirit, and the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? Yes, disappointed that that they've lost their Ten of Cups. They're disappointed they didn't invest when the time was right into the person who had the potential of being there for the long haul and giving them full emotional happiness. Person is very disappointed. They do want to come out of this feeling left behind. They do want to communicate now. They do want this. That's how they feel. What they're going to do, what action they'll take, I'll open later. Let's keep this card aside. Let's go on to the other side and see how person B is doing. Person B is sitting, oh wow, as the Empress, looking away from the connection. But I'm going to give her the mic and let's see if she has to say something to us. Empress, would you like to say something to us? The mic is with you. Well, Empress says, I did see celebration with person A. I did want to reconcile or, have that celebration of life with them. But you know what? They kind of were very selfish, very self-centered. Maybe too much of a party boy, maybe showcasing themselves as having third parties. They kind of, they destroyed this connection because of that. They didn't put any work in. It was just not working out with this kind of lifestyle that this person was leading, showing themselves as not interested, not taking action, being selfish, self-centered, partying with other people maybe. And yes, I've kind of, since then, I've had a rebirth of my own life for me. I have transformed after this heartbreak into taking care of myself, and I'm attracting everything good for myself now. Yes, they never offered me this Four of Wands, even though we both knew, at least I knew, that I did have a lot of love for them. This was pure love that I was offering, but in return they never offered me stability. Yes, person B, who's the Empress, says, well, I was sad and depressed for a long time. But you know what? I couldn't stay in this limbo for too long, since they were always keeping me stuck and not telling me which direction things were going. I kind of made that decision for myself. I've pulled myself out of this depression and sadness. So what happened, person B, that you're feeling this way? What happened in the recent past? The Tower in reverse. Well, this Empress says, my person never built a firm foundation with me. This was built on sand. Little bit happened and the structure fell down. And I've allowed it to fall, to be honest. I've kind of released them now. I'm ready to release them and bring this connection to a stagnancy, because anything that's not built on solid ground doesn't deserve passion as well. It can't only be about passion and nothing else, right? So yes, I don't feel very motivated to be with them anymore, since there's no stability being offered. I'm releasing this connection. Knight of Pentacles. Yes, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles in reverse, and the King of Cups in reverse. I'm not offering them any more of my love. If they're feeling unloved, good for them, because they were always emotionally manipulating me all the time. So now I've stagnated this connection as well. So how do you feel about the connection now, person B? Well, person B says, I have become strong now. I actually don't trust them anymore. I'm still upset and angry with them, and I'm holding back. Yes, this person has been a magician in my life, a magician in reverse, like a trickster. They've only created false illusions around this connection and never done right by me. Guess what? I've become so strong that I'm happy to walk away from this now. I'm moving towards something which will actually fulfill me emotionally. I'm the Empress. I can go towards another Two of Cups. If this person is going to be manipulative, if they're going to keep me tricked all the time, well, guess what? I'm not going to live in this heartbreak forever. I'm walking away. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Ooh. Yes, I think person B knows that they are worthy. They are worthy of, they are like being guided. They feel, I'm the Empress. I can make all my wishes come true. I'm trusting the flow of life, flow of energy. I'm trusting the universe, and I know the universe has my back, and they will bring towards me the person who can offer me stability and long term. Till then, I'm going to continue to work on myself. I'm going to continue to work towards my own goals, and I'm going to leave this person out in the cold for a bit. Let them sit in their heartbreak if they have to, because I'm not going to be sitting in this lack mentality anymore. I'm in a good place where I am taking care of me now. Star, Wheel of Fortune, and the Hierophant. Beautiful cards. These suit an Empress. So, what actions will you guys take now? I think this is person B who's healing now from any past pain. And the universe, the angels are behind this. Okay, so person A, will you take any action? Let's see. And of course, I can now request you, since you guys are still watching, can you please hit that like button for me, because it really helps the videos to circulate, and it makes me feel happy as well, Pisces. And newbies, if you're planning to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell. It helps the videos to it helps YouTube to inform you when new videos are being posted, right? Thank you so much. So person A, Two of Wands. Why are you in the Two of Wands? Why is that an action? Why is that Two of Wands in action? Oh, wow. Okay. One more. Eight of Swords. I knew it. I was going to say that before the card dropped out. A person A is now planning. Okay, now I don't see them undecided, not at all. I think they know what they want. The only indecision right now in person A's mind is how to do this. They're very, very stressed out. They're thinking, they're overthinking, they're up in their head, because now they've realized, yes, I do want commitment. I do want to go towards this Empress and offer commitment. I want them to see me now as a proper king of pentacles, who's going to do the right thing, who's mature, who's going to offer them long term, who's going to take control of the situation now. They want to be respected, they want to offer long term, but the stress is on how to now convince this Empress who doesn't trust them anymore. Okay, so yes, person A is right now sitting here and stressing about how do I heal this situation now. So person B, what about you? What are you going to be doing? Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that an action? Why is that an action? One more. Two of Pentacles here also. Why is that? One more. Why is the Nine of Pentacles here? Chariot. I think person B may not be single for too long. The way they're going, they are bringing justice and balance into their own life. They are absolutely clear about their path ahead. There is a little bit of indecision. They could still be in that place of the past and contemplating a new future for themselves. But whatever said and done, I don't see this person turning back. I think person A will probably have to chase them to, catch up to them, because person B is in a very strong position. Give me one more card, person B. What action are you planning to take? What action are you planning to take? Temperance. They are also healing. They're also healing. Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands, Ace of Swords, and the Chariot, and the Five of Cups. They do miss person A, I'll be honest with that. They do miss person A. They are trying to also heal. Temperance card is a card of healing as well. They are healing their own life. They want balance. They want justice, one way or another. They don't want to look back in the past and keep always sitting in regret and sorrow. They're trying to make a clear, focused decision about their path ahead. I think too much delay has happened. I think person in this delay, person A, sorry, B has healed, or they are just about getting out of there. I would say person A, don't think too much, because one way or the other, person B is very very focused on what they want in their life now. One more, person B, action. Two of Wands in reverse. Yes, they are not undecided anymore, or at least they want to make one decision now. As much as person A is in the Two of Wands upright, they are in reverse. Person A is still kind of thinking of how. Person B says, if you think too hard, I'm going to make a decision for my own life. I have to bring justice to my own life. I've already waited enough time for you, and if you don't show up bringing me justice, well, I'm moving forward. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.